Welcome. This is the 5-minute morning yoga stretch, the talking version of our no talking yoga class that we did a little while back. I'll link it down below. Some of you noted that you enjoy the talking, so I wanted to make a version with that. So we'll begin laying, hugging the knees in towards the chest. Big squeeze, big hug, maybe gently rocking side to side. We'll go ahead and straighten the left leg, keeping that right knee in towards the chest, as close as you can comfortably get it. Taking a supine twist here, go ahead and take that right knee over towards the left. Back stays flat on the mat. Now you can place a pillow underneath that right knee for added height and support, and even underneath the right shoulder for more height and support, less of a twist. Breathing into the areas that feel a little more tight, and as you exhale, soften the body wherever you can, even if it's just for a moment. We'll gently release, switching sides, hugging that left knee in towards the chest. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and take that supine twist, option to modify. We'll gently lift the knees, give yourself a big hug, and then rock yourself up, or just come up however you'd like, coming into a comfortable seat, whatever works for you today. We'll circle the neck, feeling out all the clicks and ticks, just waking up the spine, the upper body. Coming back to center, go ahead and take the left hand straight out and then place it on the mat. You might feel enough of a stretch here. If not, you can go ahead and draw that right ear towards the right shoulder. And we'll gently release, switching sides. And we'll come back to center. Inhale, reach the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left, right hand reaches up. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, take it over towards the right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, over towards the left. Last time, inhale, reach back up. Exhale, take it over towards the right. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.